Ribbit, ribbit, whoops, pardon me.
Leave me alone.
Sorry, Feathers, didn't mean to make you jump. Not that there's anything wrong with jumping, of course. Sort of runs in the family or jumps in the family.
What do you want?
Want?
Go ahead, you might as well get it off your chest. Call me ugly.
Ugly?
There, you must feel better.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Hang on a minute. Do you mind if I hop off and hop back on again? I mean, have a word with yourself, Feathers. Who am I to call you ugly? Look at me. There. See? I mean, connect the dots. If we're talking ugly, then they don't come much more aesthetically challenged than me. I know what your trouble is. You've been preening yourself too much.
What do you mean?
You've got down in the mouth. Oh, I'm getting nothing here, nothing. Come on, give us a smile.
I want to be left on my own.
Now that's just downright antisocial. Hang on. I've got a human in my throat. Oh well, I know how you feel, but you mustn't let it depress you. I started out as a blob of jelly, and it's been downhill ever since. I saved myself. I'm just a handsome prince in frog's clothing. And one day someone's gonna come along and kiss me and release my inner beauty. But then I saved myself. Nah, get real. Who wants to kiss a frog? You know what our trouble is? No, our image isn't in vogue. That's all. It's a question of taste. But you mark my words. One day, ugly will be in. If you just sit tight on your lily pad, each silly fad will pass. Then those who sport each season's look will fall flat on their ass. Ask your mother what it's called. Fashion is a fickle thing, but just you wait and see. The day will come when we're in style, and then I guarantee out there someone's gonna love ya, someone's gonna love ya, warts and all. Out there, just around the corner, in lots of fauna, someone's gonna fall for you, though I who are the flavor of the month. Oof, what am I saying?
Thank you. And if you ever find yourself down by the duck yard, do call in. I'd love for you to meet my family.
Well, I hope you find them all right. Stay warm, stay cheerful, stay